having a great day. So I am in Times Square right now. They are doing their awesome Times Square yoga. This is the Mind Over Madness. You can probably hear it in the background, you guys. Hi guys, welcome to New York, baby. Welcome to New York. So you guys, we had the most incredible photo shoot with Gaiam today. It was incredible. There's just no words. I can't wait for you guys to see the images. We got a picture of me. Hi. We got an image of me doing all different postures, warrior postures, say my battery's low, you name it. It's because we've been so busy today. Literally in the middle of Times Square with these it's been unreal. We have pictures with the Empire State Building. We have pictures in, just all different fun locations. I can't wait for you guys to see it on my feed. So I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can get a vibe for what it's like here. Let's see, cool? Cool? We say cool? So I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see the Times Square yoga that's going on here. Hold on one sec. Let's see. There's a bunch of peeps. So I'll bring you over this way. I'm going to be somewhat quiet because they're trying to practice.
And take your time, soften your left knee, and slowly take your hands to the floor. As slow as you can, as slow as you can. And then step your right leg back, step your left leg back, and come back to downward facing dog. And think to yourself, thank goodness I only have one other side, and not four. Okay. Come forward into plank pose into Dandasana and lower all the way down onto the mat. So we're going to come back to the other side. Take your hands behind your back just like we did standing and hold on to the opposite elbow. And now switch your hands because that's probably the habit way. Flip them around the other way. And now bring your inner legs together and really press the top of your feet down into the beautiful green mat that you're on. Hug your inner legs together. And now lift your chest, but drop your chin. You see how the heart and the head, they think they're the same thing? On the mat and off the mat, right? So lift your heart, and then drop your gaze down. And do it again, lift your heart, and drop your gaze down. And now see if you can lift your legs to meet your heart. Feet lift, knees lift, thighs lift. Take another breath in. Take your gaze down. Good. And now lower all the way back down.
So I'm going to come this way a little bit. Let me find a good spot, you guys. Hold on. Bear with me. Walk around New York with the camera. My video. Alright, this seems like a pretty good spot. Let's see. Alright, we're going to go right here for right now. So hi guys. Alright, so hopefully you guys have been tuning in, seeing everything that's been going on. I have a million pictures to post for you guys. I'm so excited. If you guys are just joining, we had our Gaiam photo shoot earlier, and you guys, it was unreal. I got these clothes for free. I have a bunch of new fun goodies in here. Got a bunch of I don't even know if you can see that, but there's a bunch of free stuff in there and a bunch of fun new clothes, and I actually can't believe how well Gaiam, how well their clothes fit, you guys. I'm actually very impressed with it. A lot of their clothes, they're not too tight, which is really, really nice. And a lot of people just think of Gaiam for yoga mats, but they actually have yoga clothes. So I'll be sharing more with you guys on my feed, of course, about that, both now when I'm in New York, but also when I get back. But I can't wait for you guys just to see all these amazing pictures that we took, and it was just such a fun day. It felt dreamlike. There's just no words. I wish I could explain the energy here, but it's hard to explain unless you're actually here feeling it. It's just pretty surreal. We literally have pictures of me doing tree posture and warrior 1 and warrior 3 and comfortable seated and just randomly in the middle of streets and parks and the skyscrapers behind it. It's been so fun. So shout out to Dana, who is my contact over here in Gaiam, because it's the most unreal experience. Hi Mimi, hi. You need to watch this from the beginning. I was just showing Times Square with everybody doing yoga. It's been absolutely amazing. And we got some amazing shots today on our photo shoot, and it's been unreal. It really has. So for those of you guys who are just joining, make sure you watch this from the beginning. So I'm going to be meeting up with hopefully a girlfriend of mine. We're trying to figure that out, and we may actually do. Gaiam is hosting a yoga in Bryant Park tonight. So I may go to that as well. It's like a yoga day. It's so meant to be that I'm in New York City right now. So if anyone ever is interested in this, they do this annually now, and it's basically summer solstice. They call it like Mind Over Madness, and I highly recommend it. I'm sure I'll be here probably next year unless we're traveling somewhere else or something like that. Let me turn this around for some of the new people, but make sure you watch this from the beginning. See the craziness. Okay, let me cross here. Excuse me guys, sorry, excuse me.
Stay there. Stay there. Lift your heart, drop your gaze down. A little bit more. Lift your heart, drop your gaze down. You see how we have to negotiate between the two of those?
Pretty amazing, guys.
Take your toes under, downward facing dog.
Pretty
Look up
amazing.
between your palms. Take a big step forward with your right leg as you exhale.
I mean, this has literally been like one of those experiences. It's like
and exhale forward.
just no words.
Take a deep breath in, reach your arms
I'm gonna look back at this when I'm 100 and be like, yes, such a fun day.
Exhale. I think
So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go meet up with my girlfriend. I wanted to share that really quick. Stay tuned. Lots of fun things coming with Gaiam and our partnership and our weekly yoga tutorial on their feed. So stay tuned for that. And I'm sure you'll be seeing shots soon from our photo shoot. See you later, guys. Love ya.
extended arms, extended.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's True Beauty Quick Tip. If you like what you see and for more confidence building tips on how to be a beauty from the inside out, remember to subscribe to our channel and connect with us at trubeautymmovement.com. That's TRU without the E, Beauty Movement. Love you guys. Until next time, remember, be balanced, be true, and proud to be you.